Company Polycom was established in 1985 as a small family business company. We are development supplier of demanding injection molded parts for automotive, household, electronic and other industries. We went into DIH² project to establish fully functional smart production lines for production of injection molded parts. The existing production line in the manufacturing company was equipped with the sensors, vision system and supported with the robots, cobots and SDV through the NGSI agents and open source fiber context broker to the company's MES and ERP system. The system uses the NGSI interface to collect and store the data from the production line, which are presented through the ramp dashboard.
Flexido is a technology provider and manufacturer of standard robotic cells as well as custom-built robotic cells for all types of industries. In the proposed TTE digital system for smart injection molding production line, we connected injection molding machines, robots, self-driving vehicles with sensors, measurement and vision systems through fiber platform for data management, visualization and analysis of collected data from the real production environment. We are exporting NGSI entities to our context broker running OPC-UA IoT agent.
Context broker and NGSI system entities are running on a local network. The production line is fully monitored through fiber platform where established KPIs can be seen on the ramp dashboard.
Research and development department is a vital part of TECOS, where we combine the knowledge of PhD and master science researchers with experience of our engineers. In cooperation with partners on various R&D projects, we are developing new solutions in a wide array of fields, including process technologies, materials, mechatronics, and advanced numerical analysis. Within the Industry 4.0, innovative solutions such as industrial sensors, industrial Internet of Things, management, control, and optimization of processes for plastics processing sector are being developed.
With the help of this developed system for injection molding process, Polycom will achieve better monitoring for the production, substantial cost reduction together with energy and material saving in the future. With the new approach, we optimize the injection molding process, increase competitiveness of the plastic market and lower costs in the production line with less material consumption by lower scrap during the process. collaboration with this solution at Polycom, we learned how to benefit from the 5R platform in real production environment, taking into account integration of different components according to Industry 4.0 requirements.